Now we are here in my ads manager. As you can see, there's a green button here. Just click that button, and then there's list of different objectives here that is segmented into awareness, consideration, and conversion. And we will choose conversion. Under conversion, we will choose conversion objective because most for e-commerce, that is the usual objective that we are using. After that, choose continue. And then for the campaign name, since this is a cold campaign, we are going to name this cold. That the product name, which is Wall Art Decor. Then objective is conversion. So down here, as you scroll down, you'll see A/B test or split testing, but we're not going to use that. Just gonna leave that blank. We're just gonna leave that off. And this one is Advantage Campaign Budget. Before the name of this is CBO. So in my funnel structure, I said that we are going to use ABO. So we are just gonna leave this off. Turn next. And then for ad set name, we're going to name that later on after we set up our audiences. For conversion event location, there's website and app messenger, WhatsApp. But since this is, let's say we have a landing page, a website, then we will choose website. Then your pixel, choose the right pixel. And for conversion event, usually it's purchase, but since this is your first time, I suggest to use add to cart. So it would be cheaper cost since we were just starting out and gathering data. You can see there are error message here says that verify your pixel. For the demo purposes, I use this pixel, but if you are going an uh, to run a campaign, make sure that the pixel that you're going to use is verified because pixel is our this is important to track our website actions. So we can gather data and use those data for our advantage. So it's very important that you have to verify your pixel. And under optimization and delivery, click this show more options. For attribution setting, you can edit that. You can choose between 7-day or 1-day click, but for me, I'll choose 1-day click. So these are the customers that take action within a day after they click your ad. After seeing your ad, after a day, they will make actions. In short, this is the impulsive buyer. So we're going to target those impulsive buyers. For our budget, since we are using ABO, we will set our budget here on the ad set level. Let's say, for example, our budget is 2,000 and then 20% of 2,000 is 200 pesos. And then for start date, tomorrow, since June 30, tomorrow, July 1, 12 midnight. 12 midnight. Just leave this and just leave that blank. And then for our audience, we're going to target, let's say for example, our target location is United States. Okay? United States. Then This is based on our avatar. So I suggest that before you set up your campaign, make sure that you already prepare everything like your avatar, your assets, like your landing pages, your website, your Facebook page, your ad creatives and ad copy. So it would be easier for us to set up our campaign. So going back here, our target age is around 21 to 60 years old. For gender, all genders, so we don't have to edit that. And for our detailed targeting, like what I said on our funnel structure, since would be our first time to create a campaign, so I suggest that we use narrowed audience so Facebook can gather specific data on who is our target audience or who is our target market. So for this one, we're going to use who are interested in painting and also interested in canvas print. So they have to they have both they have to be interested in painting and also have to be interested in canvas print. And our audience size is 3.6 to 4.2 million. So we can name this ad set as painting, our interest, canvas print, and then canvas print 21 to 60 years old, and male, male and female, and then 4.2 million. All right. So going back here on the placement, there's advantage placement. Before this is automatic placement, but since we're going to create a separate campaign for reels and stories, we will use manual placement. Then for devices, I'll choose both. So your ad will appear both on both on mobile and desktop. Then um, everything here, just leave that checked, and this one take it off. Stories and reels, since we're going to create a separate campaign for that. And then everything is all set up here in our ad set level. Painting canvas print. I want a 60 male and female for, okay. So click next. For our ad name, I'm supposed to be this is, you can choose image or video to show the features or the benefits of your product. But I suggest that you choose that for the first time you will have to create a video for that. But since for this is demo, I'll just have a image, and then I'll show the benefits, the feature, sorry, for this product. Make sure that you choose the right Facebook page. Okay. Um, make sure that you're choosing the right page that is relevant to your product. Let's say your product is skincare, so don't choose a don't use a Facebook page that is about tools. Okay, so it should be relevant because Facebook is kind of strict. They can also restrict your ads or reject your ads because of that. So, or worst case is to restrict your ad account because it's like you are deceiving your customers. So it's important to have the Facebook page that is relevant to your product. Then also your Instagram account, create ad, manual upload, single image or video, then add media, and then for our text, add copy. This is add copy. Going just sorry. Check for the grammar and also the misspellings of your text. For our headline, this is premium high. I'm sorry, high quality premium canvas. Description. This is optional. You can put a description for that, but just for me, I'm just gonna leave it blank. For call to action, depending on your campaign or depending on what do you want, but since we want to have conversion, we want to have sales, then we can choose shop now. Okay, everything is all good. Oh, we forgot the website URL. Stock and art and stock. Art and stock. In preview, you can check if you put the right website URL. It's, it's right. So okay. There's an error message here because it says this error message just disregard that, but it means that my website URL that I choose here is not is not allowed. This Facebook page, this Facebook page are not verified to be used for this for the website URL that I put. So like what I said before, you have to make sure that you have your assets ready. You have verified all your assets, like your Facebook page, website, or your landing page. But for the sake of the demo, I just I just use my own page. But if you will run your campaign, it's important that you make sure that this is verified page to be used for that domain or website URL, right? After we after we set up, you can preview your ad on what you did. So this is how it looks. If you see, you can edit the ad copy if you want to make it shorter, or you want to have to put emotives here to make it more appealing. And this is how it looks on the Facebook page. Okay, and then since in our funnel structure we have to have set up 4 ad sets, and then this one we will just duplicate this